Good evening, everyone. This is Aket coming to next steps. Many of the industry experts have been strongly criticizing the inventory-based model as it is requires a heavy capital investing, and also this model has become the reason for bankruptcy of many companies. For example, if we can see Webvan, in American giant in the online grocery industry, had raised $800 million and then went bankrupt due to huge investments in infrastructure and having signed a $1 billion contract with Bechtel. Webvan invested heavily in building its own warehouse and created advanced technology-oriented centers with automated robots to increase the pace of production and shipping uh, at the shipping at huge amount and huge amount and then eventually they lead to its downfall. So Webvan's failure was an eye opener for all those companies that were building huge warehouses to stock goods. As we know, the big basket uses inventory based model, so it was questionable whether the big basket inventory based model could sustain itself in the long run and help the company stay ahead in the competition or not. Uh, but for all of the highly competitive landscape, the opportunities to grow were certainly not limited in the sector. So there is also a scope for Big Basket and any other online grocery companies to go beyond urban markets and explore the rural India by keeping continuous focus on their urban India. This will be a great opportunity for them, and also they should realize that online groceries companies were expected to continuously fine tune their business models to deal with the huge challenges of this sector, and at the same time they are grabbing